Hello students, today we are solving Jadavpur Economics Honours question for statistical methods. So this question is on rank correlation coefficient. You get at least one question on rank correlation. This is very important. So in the following table, recorded data are showing the test scores made by 10 salesmen on an intelligence test and their weekly sales. So in these type of questions, we have to make a table first, right? So let's build a table based on this. So we have salesmen test scores. Let's take X, and we have rank RX, sales as Y, rank RY. You have D, RX minus RY. Next you have D square. So these are all the table headers. So you have 10 salesmen. Let's put the values here. Test scores, you have 50, 70, then 50, 60, 80, 50, 90, 50, 60 and 60. And for sales, you have 25, 60, 45, 50, 45, 20, 55, 30, 45 and 30. Now let's give the rank. So first is your 90. So 7th number salesman score 90. So this is the first score, maximum score. So we will define it as 1. Next, after 90 you have 80. So this is 2. Then you have 70. 73. Next you have 60. So 60 is 3 times. You have 60 on 4th, 9th and 10th. So 60 appears 3 times. 60 appears 3 times. So we take average. So 4 plus 5 plus 6. We have taken 1, 2, 3 rank. So next 4th, 5th and 6th rank divide by 3, you get 5. So we will put 5 in each of 60. So next you have 50. 50 we have again 3 times. 50, 50, 4 times. So 50 appears 4 times. Appears 4 times. So our average. So after 5. So we have 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So we have taken 4 plus 5 plus 6 till this for 60. So for 50 we will take after 6. So 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 divided by 4. We have 8.5. So we will put 8.5 for each of 50. 8.5, 8.5. Now for the sales. So sales, the first one is your 60, right? So you have 60. After 60, you have 55 on 7th position, 55. So this is second. So third, after 55, you have 50, then this is 3. Then you have 45. 45. So 45 you have 3 times. You have 3 times 45. So let's take it for sales. So 45 appears 3 times. So this average becomes 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 3. So this is 5. So 5, 5 and 5. After 45 you have 30. So 30 appears 2 times. 8 and 10th. 30 appears 2 times. So average 7 plus 8. After 6 you have 7 plus 8 divided by 2. So this is 7.5. 7.5. 7.5. Okay. So after 7.5, this is the 25. We can write 9th. We have taken 7 plus 8. Now it will be 9th. Okay. So now D is equal to Rx minus Ry. Difference between the ranks. So 8.5 minus 9, 0.5. 3 minus 1, 2. 8.5 minus 5, 3.5. 5 minus 3, you have 2. 2 minus 5, minus 3. 8.5 minus, okay, here you have 10. So after 9, this was left 9 and this is 6th position, this is 10. You have 10 observations. So 8.5 minus 10 minus 1.5, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 8.5 minus 7.5, 1, 5 minus 5, 0 and 5 minus 7.5 minus 2.5. Now we have to do the square. So 0.5 minus 0.5 square, 0.25, 2 square 4, 3.5 square 12.25, 2 square 4, minus 3 square is 9, 1.5 square 2.25, 1 square 1, this is again 1, then you have 0, in minus 2.5 square, this is 6.25. So let's do the summation. All the summation, we get 40. Okay, clear so far? So now we have to do rank correlation coefficient. So we need know the formula of rank correlation coefficient. So this is capital R. Rank correlation coefficient is equals to 1 minus 6 summation d square plus summation t cube minus t by 12 whole divided by n cube minus n. So t is for ties like these. So 30 comes 2 times, 45 comes 3 times. So these are all ties. So solving the ties, summation t cube minus t by 12. So we have 4 ties. So this 30, 45, 50 and 60. So we have 4 ties. 4 cube minus 4 by 12 plus 3 cube minus 3 by 12. So 4, this 4 comes one time, right? For this these ties, this 4 comes one number of times. 3 comes 2 times, again 2 comes one number of times. So 4 cube minus 4 by 12 plus 3 cube minus 3 by 2, 12 into 2 plus we have 2 cube minus 2 by 12. So solving this, we get 9.5. So therefore R is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation d square. Summation d square. D square we get 40. So this is 40 plus 9.5 divided by n cube minus n. We have 10 observations. So 10 cube minus 10. So let's calculate this. So we get 0.7. So your rank correlation coefficient after taking all the ties in, we get 0.7. So this is the answer.